Hello everybody, my name is Bill. This is the channel Rust to Resurrection and I need your help. So YouTube just did a thing. YouTube just raised the price to play this game. For years and years since I started this channel, they required 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I am well over that 1,000 subscribers and I appreciate every one of you guys who have subscribed. I am at 3,000 watch hours. To get monetized, you need 4,000 watch hours currently. I am 1,000 watch hours short. YouTube did a thing. They just raised those watch hours from 4,000 to 8,000. That monetization was within my reach. I was working at it slowly and I was happy with the progress. Raising this to 8,000 hours, that's just going to be a really tough row to hoe. This new requirement goes into effect February 1st. I have got less than 6 months to raise those 1,000 hours of watch time, and I'm asking if there's any way any of you out there could help me accomplish that. This channel, it's about Jeeps, it's about automotive, it's about automotive culture. We're working on restorations on a CJ5. We're working on doing repairs and upgrades to the CJ2, to a Willys MB. I've also got my 1975 Pontiac Grand Prix that I've been getting back on the road after 33 years here on this channel. I'm also rebuilding a Dauntless V6. All of this is me sharing my journeys with all of you. Getting another 5,000 watch hours is a really, really big deal. I'm hoping that if you see this video that you're willing to click on the channel, watch some of the videos, watch 1, watch 2, watch 3. It's all free. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps me get monetized so that I can start earning some money back to help pay for all of the things that we do on this channel. Guys, as I've said on all of my videos, I love you, I'm glad you're here, and I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, watch a video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye guys.